Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back. So, last time we started messing out with our first game, and we're gonna continue to do so. See? There we go. I was thinking of going right back in and finally starting to work on weapons. Let me just see if the debug works. It does. Nice. So for some reason the stamina bar doesn't show up at first, but once you deplete it, then it does. Let's see, that's probably just... Oh, it is visible at the start. Visible equals true. Visible equals false and ready. Let's try this. Oh, is it because of the... I think it's because the animation player starts... Oh, it starts as visible. Yeah, let's see. I changed it into the... For it blinking, I changed it to be a animation player and not that oscillation thing. Because we always catch it in a different time and then it looks different every time, which we do not want. But okay, I started the input for shooting here. Let's see if that prints. Okay, it prints also as when we are not aiming, which we actually do not want. If right mouse button player aiming. Can shoot is true. Why would I have that here? Do I have it anywhere else? Probably can shoot is false if can sprint. Hey Chocolate, welcome. I'm just getting back into the code. I haven't touched it since I was last streaming. And I'm gonna try and do the shooting and weapons now. How you been? How are your projects going along? We should put this on variable can shoot on ready. It should be false. Nice. What you working on? You had a couple of them going on, right? Really? Thankfully, haven't had that happen to me. Been pretty stable so far, but I guess my code isn't that complicated. Yes, I do, and I saw you. You put it on Discord that you did like hexagonal procedural generation of the terrain. if I remember correctly. So can should always be false, except when right mouse button is pressed, then can shoot is true. Nice. So what you're planning to do with it? Okay, let's see. I think now, yeah, shooting doesn't work. But if I press this and then shoot, nice. Now it's shooting. Okay. Wait, where am I meeting this shooting to? One player shoot, print shoot. Okay. Okay, so got a whole UI system in place, but what I really need is better movement. Right now, they paid fine to the mouse position. It's within 4 tiles of them. Okay. And it is a turn-based game, right? Or are you combining that with your hopping thing that you did? So, first of all, we need a couple of bullets that we are going to shoot. So we need a new scene. Let's call this shotgun pellets, or how do you call that? Shotgun ammo. No, we're actually gonna have another scene for ammo. Yeah, let's call it pellets. At least I'm gonna know what's up. Then we're gonna go into GIMP. Or should I first go to LibreCAD so everything is consistent when it comes to size? I think that's not a bad idea. So let me put in another scene, another window capture. Let's call this LibreCAD. There we go. There we go. Okay. So, let me just open up my stuff. So, I had some... Let me see. The DXF layer tiles. There we go. Okay. So I know at least the size, but we did resize it in Game Maker in Godot. So let me see. The player has a sprite 1.7. Okay, so I should use this to modify scale. It's fine. We're gonna for 1.7, right? There we go. Is it the same sprite? It's not the same sprite. If you look at I think it's not moving that much. Oh, this program is so shitty. It hurts my... Oh, it is. Yeah, it is same. I got it from a grid of... I'll show you. I think I showed this already. Block libraries, those are the DVGs. People from above. See, I got it from here, so I didn't know it was doubled. It just looked the same to me, or it looked different to me. I thought all of these were, some of them are just flipped or mirrored, but yeah. Okay, so now that we know the size of our player, we can draw a couple of palettes. Should basically be just circles, right? I want them to be maybe a little irregular, but let me move freely, man. There we go. So kind of like that, maybe. Sure. Okay, let's steal this now. Let's open up a new file. They want to spawn. I thought I was kind of thinking of doing a rigid body, so they can bounce off walls and stuff, you know, to be more chaotic. And if it's a rigid body, I can put an area. I mean, even if it's not, I can put a collision and everything, so it spawns particles and stuff. That was an idea. So now, because this is all fucking vector graphics, I need my pixel calculator. Actually, I don't. I can trim it. Can I trim a sprite in Godot? Yeah, I can choose the region, right? But let's just see this real quick. So if I have, just so I don't overshoot it, so this is maybe like 10 pixels times 10 pixels, right? Something like that. With 100 dpi, that's 2.54 millimeters. So let's check. 2.54. Does that work? Does it not like something you did in your project, or why would it behave like that right now? Okay, let's print this. Let me just see. Shotgun pellet. CADastrophe project. Resources. Sprites. There we go. It's lagging intensely, like kept at 16 frames for some reason. Huh. Like just in the menu, not when you're playing. That's crazy. Okay, I cannot find my fucking little circle on preferences. Let me see if I can paper. Can I make this really small? It's not close to the center, maybe. And I'm doing all this just to keep it consistent with everything else. That's probably overkill. And when it gets exported, it's gonna get exported into pixels anyway. And it's also very possible that it's even too small for now, and then it's just gonna be 1 pixel. But it shouldn't be if I took the size of the player into account. Okay, let's try this again. Bear with me here, folks. Where is it? Fuck. Ah, there we go. So if we do millimeters and we do like 20 by 20, that should be enough. 10 times then, more than enough. Custom page size parameters you have entered are inconsistent. Eh. Okay. Wait, I can... Yeah, I don't think this is the problem. It's the problem in... Yeah, here. PNG edit. So resolution is 100 dpi. You know what? Fuck it. Let's just draw it in GIMP. New 20 by 20 pixels. Layers and brushes. That doesn't. That's not in there. I don't know why. Let's make a new layer. Transparent. Background can go. Fuck itself. And now we just need a fucking circle. Oh yeah, you can draw in GIMP. But what I can do is select ellipse, select, and then do it like this. Then can I move this? Yes. Like that, and then we do an invert selection, right? And then we delete this selection. Or we go to layer 1, and then we put a color in that's Okay, now we have this. Now we do a selection again. That's smaller. And then select. Huh, can I just do this? I made the background. Wait. There we go. Hardness. Oh my god, this was 10 times more complicated than it needed to be. There we go. File, save as. CADastrophe, project, resources, sprites. Down. Not save, export. Export as PNG, CADastrophe. You don't see all this, but it's not important. Resources, sprites. Shotgun palette, export, replace. I could have. How do you do that? Select none. Crop to content, right? And then if we delete this image, crop to content, there we go. Yeah, let's export that again. Export to shotgun palette, there we go. Okay. Just see if that worked. Sprites, shotgun palette. There we go. It looks really cut off here and here, but it's fine. Okay, let's go back to Godot. Everywhere it's laggy, that's crazy. Okay, unsaved shotgun palettes. Let's put in a sprite. And that's gonna be this. This should not be a node 2D. This should be a rigid body 2D. Now it says it does not have a shape collider. What was that? Shape? Collision shape. Let's go back. This looks like shit! I'll change that later. There we go. Let's save scene as scenes. New folder. Projectiles. Shotgun pellets. Oh, that looks like shit. But okay, we have something that. Let's see how big that is compared to the player. Just drop this in. Oh, yeah, that's perfect. Okay, actually, I kind of winged it there, but yeah, that's great. Actually, they could be a little bit smaller. So let's see, transform, scale. Let's go to a 0.8. Yeah, that's okay. What do you want? Size changes to rigid body 2D will be overridden by the physics engine when running. Change the size in children collision shapes instead. Aha! So I should change the sprite and the shape, not the... Okay. I guess. So now I can say this should have a unique name. Why can't I do that? Does it have to be in a scene? Let's see. We need to call in a scene first, right? Let's see. Let's go back to my notes. So preload, yeah, we have to preload a scene. Okay. So we do that in the level var shotgun pallets. It's a backed scene and it should be this, right? Preload. Preload this. Okay, and now if we should, let's just instantiate from ID. Nope. Instantiate. Oh yeah, Chuck. Best of luck to you, man. See ya. Nice of you for drop by. Okay, we can put this in a variable as well. There. Shotgun pallet. Pallet and pallets. That's going to be shotgun pallet is shotgun pallet scene dot instantiate, and then we should say add child laser. Not laser. I'm looking at the... That's the... Okay. How can we do this? Can we do this multiple times? This is probably not a way to do it. But let's see. Okay, soft movement. That's all okay. Aiming, and then... Oh, debugger has 17 bugs. Can't add child shotgun pellets to level, already has a parent level. Can add child rigid body to level, already has a parent level. can we spawn that in like a new node 2D? That's called projectiles. And then we say this projectiles at children. Would that work? Let's go to remote just to keep looking what's going on. Oh. Oh, they are spawning. They are falling from the... Okay. That actually kind of does work, although we have a million bugs. Can a children rigid body to projectiles already has a parent projectiles? Let me open another Godot and let's see how did we do it in the tutorial. Hi, baby. Baby? Mm-hmm. So we did. Now it's not gonna show the different Godot screen. Okay, we go to level, on laser, on player laser shot, position player direction, laser instantiate as area 2D. Yeah, it was exactly like I did, projectiles.addChildren. Projectiles.addChild. Aha! I probably cannot do that multiple times like I did here. Let's see now. Yeah, now it's okay. Okay. So that if I want to spawn multiples... Okay. Okay, so the errors are just for the delta. Okay. Shotgun pellet. Projectiles at children. How would I add more than one? How to spawn more than one instance of scene Godot. Do I instance a scene multiple times? Have some code. Hey, amazing. Welcome. To instantiate them all. So like shotgun pellet 1, 2, 3. You mean you have? I need to have a. What do you mean? I need to have a variable, a different variable for each of them. Let me check. Some code to spawn a cube on the player when I press R, but whenever I do, it just teleports the cube to where the player is spawning a new one. There must be at least like a loop or there's also a unique ID that things spawn. There must be an easier way to do that. Get tree root. Dot root at children cube node. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, so he made a loop here. Preload senior script and then call instance on it. Amazing. What are you working on right now? Amazing. I mean, that is one way to do it. So shotgun pellet 1. Shotgun pellet 2. And then 3. And then 4. Oh my god. Actually, I never used loops. This is a perfect time to use a loop. Let's see. So let's say we have a variable that's called shotgun pellet number. Nice. What kind of arcade game? And it should be 4. So now if I say for every shotgun pellet number. Oh my god, I never used the loop before. Let's see, for loop. Good though. Trying to make it so the game can be user customized safely, so they're programmed in Lua. Okay. I have no idea what that means. Okay. Looping in Godot is done with either a for loop or a while loop. The for loop sets an instance value from a range of numbers or by iterating over an object such as array or dictionary. Man, that sounds I'm like 10 years away from doing something like that. The range function, let's define a range of integers. The statement body of the loop is indented, okay. Now when you get to network coding, man, you I'm out. Okay, for for I in shotgun pellet number, right? Then we go var shotgun. Fuck, why did I delete all this? Let me just copy this first, then go back. For I in shotgun pellet number. var is shotgun pellet I. Is that gonna work? Expected end of statement after variable declaration found. Yeah, wait. Done. Can I tell it to put an I? As is he gonna do it? Okay, let me check. And then should this work? Oh, I'm not getting bugs anymore. And when I click once, on player shoot. Just a second. Needs a cooldown after this. It's gonna be like a rate of fire later on. I successfully used my first loop. I cannot believe this. Did this just work? No. Yay! Can I just print I here? Just to make sure if it does it 4 times? Wait, I'm printing stamina somewhere. In level? On the player? Print stamina. Let's get rid of that. We figured out the stamina part. Yes! It does it! 0, 1, 2, 3. Nice. Oh, wow. Okay. Very cool. So, first of all, we should set the rigid body to not be affected by gravity. Where was that? Gravity scale 0. Oh, but they they do push each other. Yeah. Okay. And can I push them? No, I can't. Aha, I don't have. A player does have a collision body. Maybe. Shotgun pellets. Inertia. Body's movement of inertia. This is like mass, but for rotation. Aha, okay. Center of mass. Physics material. What do we have here? Friction. Bounce. Should have a little bit of bounce. We'll see that later. But why don't I collide with that? Why don't I move that around? That's irrelevant for now. We won't be moving that in the game anyway. Yeah. So, shotgun pallet. So now we have to go back to the player and actually Where do we do that? Where did we do that? Level? So the direction of the projectile should be just local mouse point angle, right? Local if we are looking at the player. Let's look at the tutorial file. I have no idea. I don't remember. So, there. Okay, we have the timers for the grenade. I should do that probably here as well. Grenade shot emit. So we can do that. I'm just gonna cheat and do it from here because I have a totally different we're gonna use a totally different, more complex. We're probably gonna use resources or dictionaries for the weapons. This is just a skeleton first. So we should admit player direction as well. And here in the level, wo hast du das gefunden? Alles klar. Super. Ich war nicht so dumm, dass ich das vergessen habe. I mean, I can just steal all this. Let's not try and... So, this is going to be... We'll put this out. Put it here. That works now. Okay, we have to define player position. Player direction. Where was pos defined? Can laser. Signal can laser made. Player direct. On player laser shot. Selected laser global position. Ah, is it in the laser? Ah, there we go. No? Position. Level player. Let me actually... match title. Otherwise... There we go. Yeah. I think now we can jump from one Godot to the other, right? So... Now I'm looking at our... So when he emits a laser... Selected laser global position. We need those markers. So if I click here, does this Godot show up? No, it doesn't. Fuck. How about now? What did I do? I broke everything. Okay, are we here now? We're here. Okay. So let's go back to player. Hey! Gamers! Gamers! How you doing? How's it going? Oh, I'm struggling here. Actually, I'm doing pretty good. How you been? Are you starting Godot as well? Or are you inexperienced? Godoneer. Godoneer. Okay, let's add a marker. 2D. Actually, if it's gonna be a shotgun, it should probably have a lot of markers, right? Because if I spawn... if I spawn a lot of, they're gonna bounce off each other. Fuck, I didn't think about that. Yeah, I can see your comment. Sometimes it gets a little too twitchy, or sometimes comments don't go through, but that's on YouTube's part as well. I am using a restream chat to have both Twitch and YouTube chat in the same window, but yeah. Oh, you're also using Godot. For how long has it been? So, if we do this, if I save this, if I go back to the player, here at shooting, I can have you used collision layers and masks? Yeah, a little bit. Oh yeah, I can theoretically put them on different layers so they wouldn't collide with each other, right? Is that what you're heading in? Gamers, yes, I'm a very much a beginner. I started like maybe a month ago. We did the clear code tutorial about halfway through, and then I started doing my own thing, because if I just keep learning new stuff without actually diving in, you know, it's not gonna be good. So yeah. So here was the... This is so fucked that can't Godot just... Can OBS just keep jumping between the ones that I have active? That would be nice. Yes. But also if I have four markers a little spread out and I just spawned. My watching is too low. You mean my numbers of people watching? Well, or people that are subscribed, or what do you mean? I haven't been that consistent. I had some problems. I try doing it 3 times per week, but I haven't been managing that in the past week or two. And the problem is I used to stream playing games before, so now all the audience that I do have is kind of, checked out on on this content as well. Yeah, maybe that's actually not a good idea, because I had an idea of having a different number of pellets for different shotguns, but oh yeah, man, I play a bunch of games. Do you mean on stream? If you mean on stream, I haven't been playing on stream for a long time now. The last game I played on stream was True Stalker, which was a free mod for Stalker. The open source version of the platform. Maybe if I just have 4 markers, that's gonna be it. Shift-D, Hold-D, there we go. Good question, I don't remember, wait, yeah, let me check. I have 16 gigs of RAM. Where do you ask? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How did they do that? I think they did a separate node so everything is together. Layer. Yeah, laser start points. Okay. Let's do the same here. So a node to the... let's say... pellets. Starting point. Yeah, I'm just messing. So I'm normally a CAD designer or a technical drawer. So I'm making a game that's a top-down game because we did the tutorials for it. Now all of this is not gonna work. I can't even run my game. But so I was thinking of making a game where you walk around and just do mayhem, on like a architectural blueprint, We did walking by now, we have stamina, we can sprint, we can aim, and now I'm working on the shooting part. If stamina depletes, there's a pause, and you can't sprint until it fills back up. We don't have any animations right now, but I did use animation player for a couple of things, changing this sprite for example. And this all walls, windows and doors are a tile map I did. I just didn't have collision collision shapes on it yet. But yeah, that's how far I've gotten right. So okay. That was all in shooting laser. Okay. Player can shoot. var shot palette markers. Okay. Wait. Then this instead of this. Okay, children selected. Palette marker is laser marker. That will that work as an index? And then can shoot equals false. Bye, man. Nice to have you here. So we need to pass the selected palette mark. Huh. Yeah, because random wouldn't work here as it did in the tutorial. We need to go step by step, right? Laser. There. Am I fucking insane? I don't see anywhere where the... I do not see anywhere where he made pause. So here it says laser position equals pause. He passes the pause through on player laser shot, which should be here in the player, right? Laser shot, I mean. Pause player direction. Ah, so you can when you define a signal, you can put a variable inside what you want to pass, and then here by emitting you can add them. That's kind of bad that it can be in two places because he didn't specify the position here, he put it up here. But why does that work? Because he didn't define it anywhere else, or did he? Did we? Ah, it's in the globals. Or? No. What the fuck? I do not get this at all. Am I fucking blind? I don't think I am. I mean, I get the gist, so I can do it myself, but I'll do it myself. So we go back to player and say that here we can say var player position equals position, right? Position. And then we can send this. Here. It's not defined in the scope of the PMMA. Or? Oh, it does work. Okay. Go back here. Player position. Player position. This should not be in the eye. Ah, this should be in the eye. Network select palette marker not declared in the current scope. Selected palette marker. I am sending that though. Do I need to do it up here when where I'm calling the signal, or can I do it here when I'm emitting it? I need to do it up there as well. No, wait, I fucked up. What am I? I'm adding it here. It should be here. That's the first. Wait, that was the first mistake. Let's keep looking. um. Add child. Too few arguments. Node. Projectiles adds child. Shotgun pellet. Right? Right. Okay. Identify player direction not declared in the current scope. Yes, it is. No, it's not. It's in process. Player position and player direction is. Aha! I'm not sending player direction. Player direction, we have that. Player position. Aha, I am emitting that. Wait. Aha, I don't have it here. Player direction. Nice! Okay, I think I stole and patched everything back. Let's see. What does the debugger say? Error calling from signal shoot to callable node 2D level on player shoot method expected 0 arguments but called with 3. Aha! So maybe I do need. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Which method expected 0 arguments? This one? Aha, I have more. What? The signal expects 0 arguments. Yeah. Wait. Invalid set. Now the direction is not gonna work because we're working with a rigid body. Okay. So this is not direction. This is. Turn this off. This is velocity, right? If it's a physics body. Inertia mass. Yo, Ultra! Welcome to the stream. How's it going, my man? So yeah, we're working with velocity. Oh, Alex! Hello! How's it going? So I think I just need to change this to velocity. So I'm trying to make a top-down game that looks like you're walking on on an architectural blueprint. Basically, it's a 3D a top-down twin stick or mouse shooter, but you're moving on a like an architectural blueprint. Just loaded. You mean landed? So welcome to the country. Herzlich willkommen. Are you in Germany right now? What you doing there? Yes, I do have a Twitch. I'm using Restream to stream at the same time. To both places. Varel. I have no idea what that is. But welcome. Yeah, basically. Yeah, guys, if you feel Twitch is more, yeah, if Twitch is more, at least the delay should be a lot smaller on Twitch, although using Restream. Loading the truck. Are you talking about Euro Truck Simulator and not real life? My God, man. Or no, are you working as a truck driver? I forgot. So velocity doesn't work with... Velocity doesn't work with a vector. So, but we did the same thing here, where we changed the velocity with globe with... yeah, so we can just go here and say... var shotgun pallet speed is, I don't know, 1 billion. And then we can time this. It's some weird name for a rigid body. Yeah, it could be. I'll see. Check Discord. Man, I'm multitasking here like a motherfucker. Oh, so you are! Jesus Christ, man, Alex, didn't we meet each other when you were a kid in school still? Look at him, fucking loading and unloading trucks and shit. Did we meet at like Jubra and you were still going to... Didn't you talk about... Yeah, right? Oh my God. It's been a long time. It's been a long time on the internet. Okay, let's see if this works now. High school. Yeah, man. Good times, huh? Those were some good times. Okay, this still doesn't work. Let's check what it's called in linear. Yeah, we do have velocity. Angular. Ah, linear velocity. Okay, maybe it's that. Linear velocity. Let me send you a link. No worries. No worries. Just a second. Wait. There you go. I think this should bring you there. Okay, let's check it out now. Pew! I have 1,000,000 debugs. Bugs. Can a child shotgun pellets to projectile already has a projectile? Yeah, that's... Now we come to the problem in the I loop. Now we come to the problem in this for loop. And I'm not sure how I would... Actually, this selected pellet marker needs to be in the loop as well. Did I? Wait. This is making a new palette each time. Isn't it? Yeah, I'm doing I have a normal job as well, and I have a girlfriend, and I have a dog. You know, the only thing that's really helpful is that I'm working from home. So I don't have, like, you know... Ah, you're right! No, I have it up here. So I should just... shotgun palette dot instantiate, right? Yeah. Like that? Non-existent function instantiated in base rigid body. Fuck, I forgot what I wrote here. Palette scene. Now I am near Mannheim. Add child. Aha, I should just add child and then shotgun palette, right? Oh, I did have that. Huh. Fuck. I have this up here where I instantiated and put it into a variable, so when I call it here, that should add a child, right? Or not? But now I'm thinking that I need this palette marker and selected palette marker. I need to send that to the level and I need to put it in the for loop. Ultra, I have no idea. This is basically just like you know, tutorial or learning stuff. The selling point was kind of like the unique art style because I can do stuff myself if need be, you know. That's basically the only thing. Oh, up north. That's where I was before, man. Now I'm more... I am down here. So I think I can put this here. I can send this as well. This is kind of cool. I understand how to send and receive stuff. You know what I was thinking? That you would unlock skills that would be like CAD skills. So you can copy, you can take an object and copy. So you would copy a door, you know, from one to the wall, or copy a window to the door. So you get more ways to get inside. Or like offset, so you would have the two of you, so when you shoot you would have double the projectiles. You know, use all the CAD specific language to think of cool skills and upgrades that you can have. That'd be cool, yeah. But how to do that, I have no idea any of that, so... So, can I say... what do you mean, what kind of game is that? A game that I'm making. That's what we're talking about. I mean, it's called CADastrophe, you know? That's the idea. So, can I just say palette markers? Markers index plus equals 1. Is that a thing? Nope. It's not identified in the current scope, but I should be sending it. Am I not? Palette markers. So plus equals I, you mean? I mean, either or. I was actually thinking of, but this is like, you know, if you would really, if you would really polish up this concept to its utmost potential, you would have a. I would think of a. How do you call it? Like, what do you call like a very specific, cool thing that happens just sometimes in a game? Showcase. Palette markers I. Ah, okay. Is it gonna let me do that? Just like that? Markers. Palette markers I. Is that what you mean? Amazing help. What's it called? My name. Aha, you don't see the screen. My name is. Set piece. That's what I'm. Yeah, sorry, my bad. Set piece. So one of the set pieces would be the plan is just getting plotted from a plotter, right? And it's on the table, and the camera is skewed down to the table, and you're actually playing on the plotted. Oh my god, did I sometimes write palette and sometimes palette? Oh no, what have I done? Look, it's all palette here. And it's all palette in the player. No. Fuck. Okay, is there a simple find and replace in Godot? Or in general? Ah! Palette. I don't even know which one of this is right. Palette. 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 Fuck. Man, you know how much work that is to have double the draw assets for. Now I know how much work that is. That's not happening. Palette. Pellet. Okay, now we actually now we're at least consistent, right? Does this work? What did we do now? Oh! There's no plan. Have a nice dinner, Alex. No, there's no plan to make it a full game. I don't think so, no. Already has apparent projectiles, so this is still not working. This is still not working. So it spawns the first one, but it does not spawn the other ones. And am I actually doing anything to the pallets right now? Yes, you are right about that. So you're trying to add the same palette as child multiple times. Yes. Is there a way to copy? Can I instantiate that one time and then copy it 2 more times? 3 more times? Instantiate is basically you spawning a scene or a node or anything. Is there like a copy child or something? Add child. Add sibling. Aha! Yes, it was working before when we did that. Yes, you're right. Instantiate. Bar shotgun palette, and then if here, blah. Right. But now this needs to get the shotgun palette. Wait, we can do all this before. No, we can't. Haha! Woohoo! There we go. I'm shitting shotgun shells. Whee! Oh my god, this is eventually gonna break. Ah, this looks awesome. Okay, so we're getting somewhere. Just a sec, guys. Hey, Michael, stream him. Ciao. Yeah. That's the next part. Adding a timer. But I just wanted to. Whee! That's great. Let's just leave it at this. This is already nice. Yes, yes, of course. They're probably just gonna have some life to them, like a travel time. Big game design. Yes. Oh look, I don't even have to move him. That's like self. He's propelling all on its own by shitting and leaving a trail of bullets. Ah, that's amazing. Oh, cool. Okay, so I think, guys, don't know what the function was called when I used Godot last. It was Q3. Yeah, it is still Q3. Yeah, you're right. Okay. I think in the tutorial we did the timers on the player. Yeah, we can do that. So here on player shoot, we go here if action is placed and can shoot is true. What are you going in school for, and how long? You know, what year you're in. So if input is pressed and can shoot is true. Or pallets, straight get children, can shoot equals false. We're not gonna do that here. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do a timer here. So, then pallets, player. Wait. Player. Timer. So this is just gonna be I'm a high school senior. I finished high school on the 15th of July. Then just, man, bite the bullet for a week, for a month. Being a carton of milk. That reminds me of that Blur song. Coffee and TV, I think. Do you know that? That's probably. I'm not gonna be. This sounds more condescending than I mean it. You're probably too young to know that music video, but check it out. Ah, okay, cool. Did it have like like physics to it? It's from the band called Blur, and it's called Coffee and TV. So this is just gonna be, what do you call it? Rate of fire. Rate of fire. Oh, really? Never heard of them. Song 2, like, woohoo! You heard it. A million %. It's just a little bit before your time, I think. I am music is a big deal to me. Although I listen to podcasts or audiobooks now more than I do to music, I think. And it's a pain in the ass. We're listening to Tkivo right now. You can see on the lower right corner. But I want to play some more, you know, things, but I should probably do it now when I'm small and I don't care about copyright. Yeah, not copyright strikes, copyright some things. Okay, rate of fire. It should be relatively high for a shotgun, like 1.5, maybe 1.5 seconds. So we do a node, we connect it here to the player. Let's copy that up here where we're shooting. And I mean, Ocarina of Time is then pretty early for you, right? That's around when you were born. No, that's even before your time, right? Oh, my math. How old are you anyway? But yeah, that's fine, brah. Yeah. So yeah, Ocarina of Time is way before your time. So nice. Yeah. I mean, you just get more out of stuff if you don't look it that way. Yeah. That's cool. So here then we go timer shoot emit and start timer rate of fire blah 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 dot start, and then here what warning and along the expression line has no effect. How was that written? Timer grenade start. Yeah. Aha, I need the brackets. Yeah, yeah. There we go. Yeah, I'm totally with you, my man. Although I was born at the time when gaming just started, so I basically I was basically in it from the start, you know. I'm not gonna go back and play Pong because it's before my time. I played almost everything. I started playing on the Commodore 64, and I played almost everything, you know. Okay. Rate on rate fire timeout. Aha, and then here can shoot is false, and on timeout can shoot is true again. Does that work? Wait, what? Can shoot not declared in the current scope. Can I do on ready here? No, I can't. That needs to be. That cannot be in the process. Yeah. Not allowed in this level. Yeah. Let's do it here. Then let's do this. And here. Then. There we go. This should work. Right? Ah, you don't see it. Bah. Forgot to turn off the game sometimes. Oh, I'm still shooting out bullets as much as I want. This is not working. Because... Why is that? Rate of fire should start. Can shoot is false. Where's this window here? Why don't I have this window? Can shoot is used. So here it's declared or set in process, so it's used all the time that it's false. And then here, if you're actually aiming, then can shoot is true. Aha, that's the problem. That's the problem. If I make this go away. But I can say var player aiming equals true. Let's set it as a bool. And then instead of this, I can say this. Ah, fuck you. Aha, I can say all this. I can say it up here on var player boolean false. It's true, it's aiming, and if it's true and it's shooting, shoot is false. The onReady sets up a function like it's in the onReady function, but it also lets you use it in the whole script anywhere. So you can set it up here outside of the ready function, but it's like you did declare it onReady and it's available. You can use it across. The biggest function I found for it is that if you do it as onReady, you can use it in multiple functions without having a problem with it. Like it's basically like a global, not a global, but it's in the script at least. Oh yeah, it does change. Like if I remove onReady for can shoot here, for instance, I'm gonna start. Ready, you're right. I think the difference is... What was the difference? I think you can use it like in signal functions and everywhere without you having to worry that it's gonna... But you have to declare it first. Don't... You're messing... You're messing me up now. I don't know. Let me be. Wait. Let me consult my notes. Ready is a line of code without a function ready, and it is referenceable in all functions on that same script. And this is wrong, it's not allowed a line of code, it's a variable. No, but look, for instance, I think if so can shoot here is used. Huh. Yeah, that was strange then. It was I don't know how it was. I would need to go back to the tutorial and see what the explanation was, but that was my understanding. Aha, yeah. Mark the following property as assigned with the node is ready. Assigned when the node is ready. Values for these properties are not assigned immediately when the node is initialized, and instead are computed and stored right before node ready. Okay. Mark the following property as assigned when the node is ready. Values of these properties are not assigned immediately when the node is initialized, instead are computed and stored right before the node is ready. Go back. Yeah, now, how do I get this window back? There we go. Okay, will this work now? Nope. How about now? Okay, now I can't shoot at all. Aha, now I need this, I think. I need this to be is action just pressed, right? Just pressed. Yeah, here. But that is what it's... Normally you shouldn't be able to shoot. Hey, chocolate. We started shitting out. Oh, now it's working, I think. Yep. There we go. We started shitting out shotgun pellets. Aha, now, but it's just pressed, then I can click it. Oh, but I see the for loop is working perfectly. We spawn 4 pellets at once using the markers. Okay, that's great. And somehow the player direction is affecting the Okay. So this shouldn't be just pressed. Is action pressed? Just pressed. Whoa! Yeah, if I hold down the button, then, you know, it's fucked. Whee! Just need a variable to mark if the timer has ran and that doesn't get set to false every frame. Maybe I don't need this at all? What if I say it's false just once? Wait, where do I actually shoot? Yeah, what if I just comment this out? Yes, here. From here to here, say. I hold the button. Yeah, if I hold the button, I shoot once and nothing happens. And if I keep clicking, I can click whenever. Timer is 1.5 seconds. Yeah. Aha. Wait. It does? No, it's still... I can figure this out. We're pretty close. Yeah, I thought so. But still, if I click, I can do whatever I want 1,000,000 times. And if I hold, nothing happens. If is action pressed right mouse and player sprinting. Here, when I'm pressing the right mouse button. Yeah, right mouse button shouldn't declare when I'm allowed to shoot. It's the timer. Let's try now. Okay, now I can't shoot at all. Because it's set to false at the beginning. Let's see. Hmm? There we go. Now I have to click. And it only works every 1.5 minutes. And if I hold, nothing happens. Nice. That's exactly what I wanted. 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. There we go. Okay. So I'm clicking 1,000,000 times, but it only shoots every 1.5 seconds. It's working now. The problem was here, in the event of just aiming, like the right mouse click, just doing this already set the can shoot to true. No, not 1.5 minutes, 1.5 seconds, sorry. Is action... I think I just made... What did I do? Is action pressed? No, it's good. It's the behavior I wanted, because I wanted to shoot only when you click, because, you know, shotgun is not an automatic weapon, so it's fine. Guys, I've been going at this for 2 hours. I'm gonna take a 5-minute break, and I'm just gonna play one of my older videos, my older content, so stick around. I'll be right back. Chocolate, don't worry about it. We'll be right back. Everything's working. Everything's working fine, and we got the basics of a shotgun going. It's just not flying in the right direction. Be right back, guys. 5 to 10 minutes. See ya. The game is amazing. I'm really glad I bumped into that game and that I decided to play it and everything. It was really cool. And it was a total surprise for me. Like, the game got lost in my Humble Bundle list. Vanilla campaign, fight war between green belts. Hard. What? Casual. It defaults to hard. That's interesting. No, I actually wasn't disappointed. I'm really glad that they like circled back around and then it all makes sense and it's a cohesive whole. I liked it a lot. I really liked it. Okay, so this looks like a pretty open-ended campaign, so let's start with that. I think you pick up just other soldiers if you die. I'm not sure. Only soldiers who wore a vest can be revived with a medikit. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, see? Attention, incoming commander briefing. Good to have you all here at Keepsake Bay. Move out. The preparation platoon arrived earlier today and secured the perimeter near ranch. Other reinforcements are here. The objective to capture Keepsake Bay completely. Squad leaders are encouraged to launch missions to sabotage the enemy in any way possible. Okay, loot and cargo trucks are to be delivered to armories for investigation. Godspeed, soldiers. Okay, where am I going? Where are my men? What am I doing? Cool. Yeah, this is like an open-ended, like, Battlefield campaign or something. Seems potentially really cool. Let's see what we have. We have that. Ooh. Can I take that? Oh, cool. Okay. Okay, currently we're Gerald Gates. And we're private, we don't have a... Can I go prone? I can. Okay, let's go. Tactically. From cover to cover. Where are my men? Let's go! Ah, that's ours, okay. This is really interesting. Okay, I think we took this. Oh. Come on, guys. I want in on the action. Or maybe I don't. Can I rotate the camera? No, doesn't seem like it.
Oh, that's a spawn truck. Oh my god, this is like a multiplayer campaign. Yeah, we're gonna have to play this in multiplayer and see how that goes. That's gonna be cool. Okay. Oh. Let's take the spawn truck near. It's gonna be a lot easier. I don't know what the grenade button is. Fuck. Gonna take it here where the APC is. Oh, fuck. Yeah, you die really easily. Okay. Be a little more careful. That was very... Nice. Okay, we're providing cover from above for our guys. No. Yeah, this seems actually pretty tactical. That's how it seemed on the trailers. That's why... Oh! That's why I was kind of into it. Was it friendly fire? Oh no, that was a guy behind our back. Oh wow. We should really... Yeah, this is actually a game where you could like... moving formations.
And I'm back. I had no idea what I was talking about in that video, but that's, you know, that's sort of kind of game that I'm trying to make, that just it's not that tactical as running with rifles is. It's a cool game. Yeah, it's just pressed. So I don't check always. I think that's okay, right? At least I'm getting what I wanted. My guys already rotated chocolate, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. No, the problem is that we are... Shotgun pellets, rotation degrees. The problem is the pellets are a rigid body. And I forgot how I move. Wait, let's actually see the code for the grenades in the tutorial. That should be it. So let's see on player grenade shot. Yeah, linear velocity. And then grenade speed. Yeah, that's what I did. So we just need a bigger. Okay. So this speed just needs to be a lot higher, I think. And where does it have this rotation and speed and stuff? Where was that? Ah, it doesn't need the rotation. Yeah. We don't need the rotation thing. So we don't need this. Right? Right now. Why am I shooting them? Oh, why am I shooting this out of my ass? Was ist los? Keine Ahnung, alles gut. Keine Ahnung, etwas... Wie wenn etwas startet, aber weiß nicht, was startet. Funktioniert deine Kopfhörer? Ja, okay. Ich wusste nicht, ob das auf meine Kopfhörer ist oder TV oder was. Alles gut. Do I actually spawn the things at the markers? Hey Ultra, welcome back. And yeah, it is just pressed. It's fine. So now I'm actually combining the two. The lasers and the grenades from the tutorial. And so it's a little bit tricky. Aha, I need to select. Oh, no, I don't. I'm shooting on 4s. That that is working. But why is it spawning out of my ass? Aha. Maybe I don't need that to be the player's position when I have the markers, or? Ah, no, they're back to the origin point. What's the palette starting point node? I mean, it should be those 4 nodes. Those 4 markers. I think. because we have this for loop that, and that works. It does spawn 4 of them at once, and the spacing seems right and everything. See, why 4? Because that's what I set up here. Like, that's what I was thinking, to have like 4 pallets. I can always change that later. But shotgun pellet position should be what? Because that makes sense for assault rifle, right? When you shoot and then each bullet has different angles. But a shotgun has, you know, pallets that spawn all at the same time. I don't think that would work, because if they spawn from one point, they're a rigid body and have collisions between them. It would just, you know, they would kind of disperse very, very chaotically. You're right. But I still don't... All of this, what we are talking about, I don't think has to do why the position doesn't work. Palette scene. Aha, so it doesn't collide with itself. Yeah, I know what you mean. Where was that? There we go. Visibility layer. No. Where was that? It's not visibility, is it? Ah, collision. There we go. Yeah. So yeah, if we go here to... that was project settings, right? And then if we go into... where were the settings to rename the layers? To the physics, there we go. So let's make player. Let's make enemies. Walls. Gonna need a separate one for windows, because they're gonna break. They're not gonna stop things. And let's do projectiles for now. So you are a projectile, but you don't collide with a projectile. You collide with the enemy, walls, and windows. That's what you mean, right? Yeah, shotgun pellets. Root node. So you think a better idea is to spawn 4 of them from one place, from one marker. Yeah, you are right, it's gonna be much easier to control the spread that way than spawning it like from 4 different places. That is true. Related animation tracks. Oh. Because eventually what I want to do, I want to set up a skeleton right now how the shots work, but then I want to yes, that's what I eventually want to do. I want to do like a, I don't know if it's a resource or a database for weapons, and to have everything inside, like the rate of fire, reloads, you know, speed, the projectile it's shooting. I want to practice that, to have the same code, but all those variables get inputted in, like imported in, depending on the weapon you pick up. Yeah. That's what I want to do eventually. So this is actually a good. You're on a good track to actually have only one marker. I think this can stay, right? Because if it changes later on. Wait, can I shoot now for one marker? Like a random number of pellets? That would work too. Yeah, this doesn't work now. I think I can just remove this, right? It's gonna just use the one. Yeah, no, it shoots only one. Behind where I was born, for all and all for one. But now this for loop doesn't spawn 4 times. No, I was thinking of having the shotgun damage show as it does in Borderlands, you know. To have it like per pallet and then times the pallets. Oh, Ultra. Uzi, thank you for the follow. I didn't see that. Yeah, but it basically, you know, because it has a million different weapon types and weapons and stuff, it always shows the number of projectiles times the damage, so you can kind of gauge, you know, sometimes it's lower damage but it's more pellets, so yeah. Now this doesn't work. This doesn't spawn four of them at once. Change the code then. Oh really? Now you're being a smartass. Yeah, I know, but now I kind of lost it. Okay. So basically we don't need this for loop anymore, because that was just to have every marker spawn one, right? Yeah, the range was 4. That was the number of pellets. Oh, that should still work. But ranges, if I want to have it random, right? Like you said. I don't want to do that right now. It's an area with the given range. Range can be called in 3 ways. Certainly, insert stops before n. But if I understand programming now rightly, this is actually gonna be 5 pellets, right? Because it takes 0 as well. But that's fine. So it goes 0, sets this variable, and then it instantiates it. But the problem is, yeah, it's fine. Oh! The shots are actually flying now. That's why I didn't see them. They're so small. Yeah, the player direction still affects the shooting. You know what, Ultra, just let me cook for a while, because if you're just gonna keep telling me what to do, I'm gonna get lost anyways. Let me just check. Here we have stamina depletion and shoot, okay. So I can... Oh, here somewhere we have local mouse for the turning right. Oh no, that was on the mouse. Yeah. No, that's global. Get global mouse position. Maybe that? Aha, no, that's... What do we say if we don't? Spawns in the middle. Okay. So this was their position. Yeah, it spawns from the middle of the player. Why the fuck do we have this marker then? Maybe this? Okay, this doesn't have to be an array, because we don't have more than one. Just have this. Palette marker. Palette marker. Palette marker. Sure. Work now? Oh! We don't need the selected player marker because we... Maybe like this. Dot position. Not for sure. It's for me. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's maybe not a bad idea. Do I take song requests? You said you only listened to 2 songs, man. Sure, I'll listen to something else, something new. But this right now, what's playing in the background, is kind of... Aha, 2 bands. Sorry. Doesn't this work now? Oh man, I don't like those 2 bands. At least the songs I've heard. I don't like that British, like, pop rock stuff. Oh yeah, they have a huge discography. I don't know, just like the most popular ones, you know. Uh. hmm. Yeah, but those two bands sounds, the Strokes sound pretty like in the vein of that British new wavy rock stuff. I don't know, but yeah, I get it. Um, turning on was here somewhere, right? Display. Was it in the editor settings? Oh, I have no idea where to turn collisions on, but it's fine. I see it's not working. Button palettes. So I'm feeding it player direction, player position, and palette marker. And when it gets done, when it adds the child to the tree, shotgun palette position should be the palette marker. You can hear pretty much what my music is playing in the background right now, and Strokes are not that. I mean, I listen to a lot of stuff, you know. I basically just separate things into good I like it, and bad I don't like it. So yeah, sure, I bet there are a bunch of songs I would like. What happens if I emit this signal 4 times? Would that work? I don't need to worry about anything? Nope. But I'm emitting this and triggering this for loop. That instantiates a scene of the shotgun palette, and it puts it into the projectiles node. It says that the polarization of the palette is the palette marker's position. Can I not change positions like that for the rigid body? I can. We did that for the grenades. Aha, he does add it. He adds it in the end. Maybe that's the difference. Can I even change its speed and stuff before I... Maybe don't sort opinions by good and bad. It's not opinions, it's taste. There's a big difference. No. You can have a wrong opinion, but taste, it's a bit different. Taste and opinions are not the same thing at all. Yes, but opinion can be more than taste. An opinion can be based on something, while taste is much more, you know, ephemeral. What's happening amazing? I trying to get the shotgun pellets to work, but it's not going too well. Yeah, he does have the position. Ultra, I am not gonna argue with you. Why isn't this working? I don't even know why. Okay, now it does work, but it's the absolute position, the default position from the marker. Ah, I think I know why. Wait, because I'm rotating a sprite. If I make the marker... Oh no, I shouldn't be rotating the sprite. I should be rotating the player no matter what. Just a joke, chill. Think this is fun and games? No, it's fine, man. All good. Wait, I was gonna see. I'm not that stupid that I'm rotating the sprite and not the player, right? I'm skewing the sprite because of the animation, but I'm rotating the player, right? So why? Aha. This seems like I'm closer to the thing, right? Because it's actually here's the marker. Neither do I. You can call the Norwegian police, yeah, no problem. This seems like we're closer, but we need to... Yeah, I thought so. I'm currently in Germany. I'm living in Germany. But I'm a Croatian expat. I've been living in Germany for the past 10 years. Meh. And the other thing that's really interesting is that Shotgun Pallet still doesn't have... Sometimes it does have velocity, sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, see? Aha! Because it has... player direction. But it shouldn't be player direction, it should be global mouse. Mouse position, right? Yeah, let me just dox myself on stream, yeah, no problem. I wasn't born yesterday. I have a very vicious dog. If you watched my streams before, you would see it, and you would be highly disappointed by the expensive stuff I have. I don't have a lot. As you can see, there's 2 people watching me on Twitch. If there was like, you know, 2,000, then we could talk about maybe expensive stuff in the apartment. Oh, what the fuck am I doing? I'm lost. I have no idea what I'm doing. Aha! I know what the problem is. No, it's not. The PC is like 7 years old. There's a 1080 I think inside. You wouldn't be, as I said, you would be highly disappointed. Actually, you have my specs down in the Twitch panels, I think. I'm not using the 2 PC stream setup anymore, but I have the stronger PC is now what I'm using. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it here. We did get far, and I'm gonna try to detangle this mess off stream because now I'm kind of stuck. Okay, then even this PC would be an upgrade. That is true. Okay, we did get close, but we didn't get to what I wanted. But that's fine. 3 hours of messing around just flew by, which is nice. Oh, guys, thank you so much for joining. It was a blast having so many people around. By the way, if you guys wanna keep in touch and be, you know, here somewhere, here's the link for the Discord. We're a small community, and a few people are pretty new to game dev as well, and we have some more experienced people like what's your name? Amazing was here. Things like that. We have people with a couple of months much more experience than I do. And yeah, normal streams Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. At least for 3 hours. I'm gonna start doing it regularly now. I had some problems, unforeseen consequences, as Half-Life would say. So yeah. Oh, welcome Ultra. Welcome. So yeah, everybody, thank you very much for joining, and I will see you on Saturday. Subway Surfers. Actually, those types of games might be worth taking a look for trying to remake them in Godot. You know, I was actually kind of looking into that. Those kind of like silly numbers, you know, where there's like a guy walking and you have to walk through gates and numbers and you multiply, and then, you know, shitty mobile games like that. But I started doing something. This CADastrophe thing looks a little more complicated than that. But yeah. So thank you guys, and I'll see you on Saturday. Bye.